Hoover's not here yet.
Second floor, going down.
Going down? I'm gonna
No, not yet. You want to go down and go check?
Hey.
Going down.
Okay, I'll see you at the car. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Going down. First floor.
Go ahead.
Going up. Fifth floor. Going down.
We'll get out of one. I like this. This view is so cool. Here he is.
Third floor, going down.
You're welcome.
First floor, going up.
What for?
I don't shit. I don't know. I do not know where I'm at.
I saw some people just getting every floor and looking out.
Oh my god. Well, I figure I'll start at 5 and then work my way down.
That's smarter.
Just walk around.
Exactly. I was going to do the tour and I didn't realize that I had a pocket knife in the.
Oh,
Fifth floor.
did they let you do it or?
No,
Go ahead.
I'm going to go back. My family's waiting. Is this 5?
Yeah, try walking around.
Thank you.
Well, at least you did it.
Down.
You still here?
Yeah. What for?
4. Let's try 4. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that to you.
Going back down the tree. Definitely going back down the tree. That's where we parked. This area is sometimes you need to know what floor you park.
It was my own fault too.
Try going here.
Thank you. We'll try this one.
This things are busy.
Third floor, going down.